The culture here is a very laid back culture. Everybody gets along really well, and it's a very cohesive team that we have here. I mean, everybody from molding and quality and our customer service team up front, we all get along really well. It's a fun place to work.
What makes Atlas's culture unique is, again, with everybody wearing different hats, you have people from management willing to be down on the floor doing whatever it takes to get good quality parts out to the customer.
Just a very family-oriented place to work, and the core values of this company are just, I mean, they're good. And people coming into to this company from other companies and the kind of things that I hear, I'm just really glad to be part of this team.
The culture here at Atlas is fun. It's a family environment that really starts at the top with our owners. They've completely embraced the word teamwork, where from each and every department, we all seem to work very well together. We mesh well together. We're not afraid to give ideas, and it's just very comfortable with your coworkers.
It's like I said at my 40th anniversary, I've been treated probably more like family here than an employee-employer relationship.
We try to be sure that we're working hard, but we have fun while we're doing it.
As a regional account manager, I love hearing the fact that we want to continue to grow here at Atlas. And it's exciting that, you know, whether it be from automation to adding new equipment to adding an entire new department, it's exciting to be able to offer that to our customers and our partners. And you know, all that additional technology has allowed us to improve quality, improve lead times, and really be a better partner for our customers.
The culture here at Atlas is collaborative. You know, everyone working together efficiently as a team for the common goal. At the end of the day, we're here to get parts out the door, so collaboratively, we do that as a team.
This is where I want to be, and that's where I want to end up.